Hi, this is Dr. Samir Shamsuddin from OsiriX UK usergroup.org. In today's demonstration, I shall be showing you how to organize the column headers within the database window. As you can see on this screen, my database window contains a table which is made up of these 5 columns: patient name, patient ID, comments, comments 2 and comments 3. If you are in an examination setting and examining candidates for FRCR 2B examination, you would like to know the diagnosis as an examiner, and also you would like to know the difficulty of the case. What I have done here is I have put the diagnosis under comments 2 section and also the difficulty of the case by labeling it between 1 and 4, 1 being the easy one and 4 being the tough case. If someone is doing very well, then you can click on the comments 3 column and pick up a difficult case to give him more marks. Or if someone is doing very bad, then you can actually show him a simpler case by clicking on number 1. So this helps in easily rejuggling your cases in a VIVA setting. Also in this video, what I'm going to demonstrate is the difference between putting the diagnosis under comments and comments 2. Let's go back to default database. Here you can see that I have a case in which I have put the diagnosis under comments section. If I open this case, the problem here is I can see the diagnosis on the series information. So a smart candidate in a VIVA setting can always look at the diagnosis in the series information if it is used under comments. By putting the diagnosis under comments 2, like in the next case, the diagnosis is not available on the series information. So that's why I have put all my diagnosis under comments 2, and I use comments 3 to put the difficulty of the case. And also in your OsiriX on your Mac, you may have more number of columns. How can you remove or add a column into this table? By right clicking on the first row of the column, you will see that there are a number of options available which is called as column headers. For example, I'm just going to add images. So you will see that the column which contains number of images for that particular case has been added. If you want to remove this column, all you have to do is right click and uncheck that column. By doing this, you can keep your database window very organized. One more thing I would like to demonstrate here is how to export a list of cases for the purpose of examination. For example, if you have a set which contains 12 cases and you would like to export this into a Excel spreadsheet, all you have to do is click on File, Export, and select the last option, Export Displayed Database List As, and then choose where to save. In this, let me save it on desktop. This actually saves as a txt file. So now that having saved that file, let's see how it opens. So to open this, what I would do is I would open this with Microsoft Excel by right clicking and say open with Microsoft Excel. So now you can see that my list of cases have appeared as an Excel sheet. This is useful to have or in hand if you are in a VIVA setting. If you want to export this as a PDF, all you have to do is click on File and Save As, Format, change it to PDF, which will be here, and say click Save. Now let me close this window. And you can see that I have a PDF file on my desktop. When I double click this one, I have a sheet which says which case and diagnosis and also the level of difficulty for that particular case. So in this way, by using the column headers, you can actually manage your database window very effectively and also use spreadsheets for the purpose of examination. Hope you like this presentation. If you have any queries, feel free to email me on admin@osirix-ukusergroup.org. Thank you.